Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on solving quadratics. These quadratics are, if you think about a parabola, are in vertex form. The really important thing to remember is in each of these two situations, my variable is isolated. A lot of times students want to square, multiply, subtract, or refactor, which is a lot of work. If you only have one variable written in a problem, isolate it. That's your best first stop. So if I add 125 to both sides, trying to isolate my variable, I get 3 times x plus 6 squared equals 243. If I divide by 3 to get my variable isolated, I get x plus 6 squared equals 81. Now, because I have something squared equaling a number, I can square root both sides. Now this squared means there are two solutions. So when I do the square root on the right-hand side, I have to do plus or minus the square root so that I get x plus 6 is equal to negative 9 or x plus 6 is equal to positive 9. I can then subtract 6 in both situations, and I get that x is equal to negative 15 or 3. Okay, I'm going to do the exact same thing for this next one. I'm going to isolate my variable. I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides so that I have negative 0.75 times x minus 9 squared is equal to negative 18.75. Now don't be fooled. This squared has to be positive, and though you see the negative, realize we need to divide a negative as well, so don't determine no real solution until you've gotten to the point where your variable is isolated. All right, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 0.75, and I'm going to get x minus 9 squared is equal to 25. This is a much nicer looking problem. If I do the square root with a plus or minus, I get x minus 9 is equal to negative 5, or x minus 9 is equal to positive 5. I can add 9 a lot, so that x is equal to 4 or 14. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!